Bullish Shiba Inu cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0 2030. Market investigators accept SHIB could reach $0 2025. Bearish Shiba Inu market cost expectation for 2022 is $0. Shiba Inu presentation. Cryptographic forms of money are an intriguing venture, a valuable open door, yet they can be hard to comprehend. One of the most famous digital currencies is Bitcoin, and many individuals are presently posing inquiries about its likely replacement, Shiba coin or Shiba Inu. In this blog entry, we'll investigate the anticipated cost of Shiba Inu and how it analyzes to other digital currencies. Kindly note that the accompanying expectations are for instructive purposes just and ought not be viewed as monetary exhortation. We suggest doing all necessary investigation prior to putting resources into any digital money. What is Shiba Inu? Shiba Inu is a decentralized cryptographic money made as a satire of Dogecoin. It has a restricted stockpile of 1 quadrillion tokens altogether, with half of the inventory at first disseminated to holders of Ethereum's local cash, ETH. Shiba Inu is at present positioned in the main 30 cryptographic forms of money by market capitalization. The Shiba Inu project is named after the popular Japanese canine type of a similar name. The logo for the digital currency is likewise an animation portrayal of a Shiba Inu canine. The designers behind Shiba Inu made the token to be utilized for tipping content makers and other web-based clients. Shiba Inu can be sent involving similar strategies as ETH and other Ethereum-based tokens. Shiba Inu is one of a few purported image coins that have as of late acquired fame. Others incorporate Dogecoin, made as a spoof coin, and Safe Moon, made to be utilized as a deflationary money. The Shiba Inu framework. The Shiba Inu biological system is a local area of computerized resources and conventions that collaborate to make a consistent client experience. The environment comprises of the Shiba Inu token, the Shiba Trade decentralized trade, and the Shiba Tracker application. Together, these parts give a total answer for purchasing, selling, and following Shiba Inu tokens. The Shiba Inu token is the local badge of the environment and is utilized to control its application. The token can be traded on the Shiba Trade DEX and is utilized to follow costs across different trades through the Shiba Tracker application. The token is additionally used to pay exchange charges on the DEX and can be marked to acquire rewards. The Shiba Trade decentralized trade is a trustless and decentralized trade that permits clients to exchange Shiba Inu tokens straightforwardly with one another. The DEX is fueled by the 0x convention and is completely non-custodial, implying that clients generally hold unlimited authority of their tokens. The DEX likewise includes an implicit liquidity pool that permits clients to procure compensations for giving liquidity to the trade. The Shiba Tracker application is a portable application that permits clients to follow the costs of Shiba Inu tokens across different trades. The application likewise gives a portfolio following component, permitting clients to follow their SHIB possessions and execution. The application is accessible for the 2 iOS and Android gadgets. Shiba Inu current cost. Shiba Inu is right now worth $0. SHIB has moved 0.78% as of now with an exchanging volume of $73,822,641. Shiba Inu is right now positioned 14 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $5,072,491,668 USD. Using the overall strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination disparity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Shiba Inu to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Shiba Inu value forecast 2022. Shiba Inu, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The SHIB cost estimate for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $0. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, yet it is practical sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. SHIB is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Shiba Inu value forecast 2023. In 2023, Shiba Inu SHIB cost expectation has a lot of space for development because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives. We guess that the cost of SHIB will before long outperform $0. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold on to check whether the SHIB's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, SHIB will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0, a typical exchanging cost of $0. Shiba Inu value forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $0. SHIB might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. SHIB is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0, a low of $0 2024. Shiba Inu value expectation 2025. Assuming Shiba Inu effectively helps market opinion among digital money fans, the SHIB coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, SHIB will be green in 2025. The SHIB is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $0, with a base cost of $0, a typical cost of $0. Shiba Inu value expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the SHIB cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0 2026, with a base cost of $0 before the year's end. Moreover, SHIB has a greatest value worth of $0. Shiba Inu value expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0. On the off chance that SHIB figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $0, neglecting to assemble the help SHIB needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $0. Shiba Inu value expectation 2028. While SHIB is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $0, a yearly cost close above $0 2028. Shiba Inu value expectation 2029. By 2029, Shiba Inu will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $0, possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $0, averaging out at $0. Shiba Inu value expectation 2030. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to estimate future costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest SHIB cost in 2030 is projected to be $0 case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $0. And the eventual fate of Shiba Inu is looking splendid. Cryptographic forms of money are headed to rising once more, and with Bitcoin anticipated to arrive at a record-breaking high again this year, financial backers are searching for new monetary standards to put resources into. Dogecoin and Shiba Inu have seen a new value flood, and it seems to be this pattern will just proceed. Assuming that you're thinking about putting resources into digital forms of money, right now is an ideal opportunity to get involved with Shiba Inu. What is the Shiba Inu cost today? Today, Shiba Inu is exchanging at $0, a complete market capitalization of $5,072,491,668. Is Shiba Inu a wise speculation? Shiba Inu ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous